name is Lauren Nelson. I'm the Director of Operations for Victorum Learning Center. We're here at our Valley Pike location to go over our family engagement related to health and safety. And in this time and age, we really want to focus on hand washing. Hand washing is important for adults, for children, for childcare staff, workers, basically everyone. Hand washing is important. It helps to stop the spread of germs and disease. So here we are at our sink. We have our step-by-step directions, just in case that you were wondering. So what we have is we have the necessary supplies on hand, which is our liquid soap. We have our towels right here, and lotion if you should so choose. Personally, I'm not a lotion person, but if you are, by all means, apply lotion after you're finished. So we're going to start by turning on our water, and we are going to wet our hands, nice and wet. We will get our soap, nice non-touch soap there, and we're going to scrub our hands for at least 20 seconds. Now, I like to sing a little song. The ABCs go pretty well. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And if you notice, I not only wash the palms of my hands, but also the tops. If you've got fingernails, make sure to get in there and get everything out of those fingernails. So then, once we've gotten that nice lather, I like to tell the kids, make bubbles, because friction is what cleans your hands. So then, once we've got it nice and clean there, then we're going to rinse our hands fully, get all of our bubbles, make our bubbles go down the drain. Okay, now here's a tricky step. Because your hands are wet, you want to make sure to get a paper towel first. Dry your hands with your paper towel, and then turn off your water with your paper towel so you can still keep your hands nice and clean. We're going to throw away our paper towel, and then this is where you would apply hand lotion if you wanted to apply hand lotion, because your hands are nice and clean. If you have any questions, give us a call. Stop by. We'll help you wash your hands. Have a wonderful day.